The coronavirus outbreak has caused many changes in people's lifestyle. More time at home means more time you can spend in your backyard. Feeling sick of playing Shopee Farm just to receive 5 to 10 coins worth 10 cents in a week? Why shouldn't you plant the real one in your backyard? Backyard Blooms is a brand new handy app you should try. Start to play with the real soils and real seeds. Total guidance will be given according to your desire. How many space do you have and what types of plants you want to plant? Are there vegetables that you can cook for lunch or decorative plants to beautify your gardens? This app is suitable for everyone, especially a housewife who loves to have the me time in her self-designed garden. We offer you growing guides, plant care guide, personal garden assistance from the experts, and the most important thing, we also gather all local gardening products in this one smart app, which no other app does. This will open more opportunity for local brands to grow. Barang baik, barang kita. Backyard Blooms, all you need to plant.